Are you starting a new business? I'm going to give you a straightforward, updated, easy to follow breakdown of how to form an LLC. Setting up an LLC seems easy until you actually try to do it. And then there's a lot of pitfalls and places you can get tripped up. And the truth is that the majority of small business owners start their LLCs incorrectly, and that leaves their personal assets at risk. I'm Jonathan Feniak. I'm an attorney. I've helped thousands of founders and business owners form and run companies. I'm also the lead attorney for LLCattorney.com. We're not a law firm, but we've helped more than 80,000 founders and business owners get started and efficiently run their companies. Think of an LLC as a liability shield, as a protector of your personal assets, protecting them from potentially financial disaster. An LLC works by creating a barrier that's hopefully, if you do it right, impenetrable for your personal assets. Your business risk does not bleed over into your personal life, protecting your personal assets from business liability. And the best part about it is you can get this protection without the headache of forming a corporation and the complicated management structures that a corporation involves. So you're basically getting, with an LLC, that limited liability protection and that shield without all of the administrative burden, headache, and opportunity to miss something and potentially completely take down the shield in the event of liability coming at your company and then at you. So how do you set up an LLC without making rookie mistakes and with implementing the secrets that seasoned entrepreneurs use? Well, first you need to pick a name. Don't choose a name that's already taken in your state or potentially already taken anywhere, right? If you try to name your company Google, I can guarantee you you're going to get a letter from their attorneys. So try to use a name for your company that is unique. Now, you want to find as a next step a registered agent for your company. It's a requirement. It's a legal requirement to have a registered agent. They will accept legal documents on behalf of the company. The next step, and really the meat of the formation process, that was preparatory work. The meat of the formation process is filing articles of organization with the Secretary of State. Articles of organization are like the company's birth certificate. It brings the company into existence and it allows you to start getting that limited liability protection in the eyes of the law. Don't skip creating an operating agreement. It's not required by law, but if you don't have one, you're going to be held to the default rules in the limited liability company statute. And I can tell you, I've read them, most of them or many of them you actually don't want. So get an operating agreement that's been prepared by someone who knows what they're doing. Finally, you need to get an EIN for your company. EIN, employer identification number, is sort of a misnomer. Even if you don't have employees, you need it. You're going to need it to open a bank account. You're going to need to start building business credit. You are going to need it because you don't want your social security number being spread around and given to vendors, contractors, or anyone you might be doing business with. Here's the secret. The real challenge comes after your company is formed. Running an LLC is like a long journey. It's a marathon. Most business owners aren't lawyers or accountants. It makes it easy to miss those crucial compliance requirements. It's like building a fortress and then forgetting to lock the front door. Setting up an LLC and maintaining it properly and having the right tools can be daunting. But at LLCattorney.com, we have designed things to make it super easy. Our products and services are designed by attorneys, and they're the things you need to really deliver on that limited liability question. First, if you have any questions, contact our business success team. These advisors have been trained by attorneys and have access to a knowledge base. They're not attorneys themselves, but they have access to great information that attorneys have prepared so that they can answer your questions, real world guidance and education. Second, you're gonna have to fill out an order form. It takes about 5 minutes. It's almost dangerous how quick it is and how easy it is to form an LLC through the LLCattorney.com client portal and through the website. Boom, do that, you're in business, right? We will set up your company. We'll get you an EIN. We can make an introduction to a banking partner, and we're going to give you compliance reminders and education about how to run your LLC properly so that you can stay compliant even if the laws change, and stay compliant if your company is attacked. You'll ensure you actually have that limited liability protection you signed up for. Now you're ready to launch your business with the confidence and backing of LLC Attorney so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business.